Hi guys, are you tired of your Facebook, Instagram getting paused because of payment issue or your payment keeps failing? What if I told you that there is a way you can add fund to your Instagram without any payment method or card? Yep, I say that. No card, no issue. I understand that countries like Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, and India struggle to make payments on Instagram or Facebook because their card keeps failing or declining. Why there is a fund in that payment method or there is a fund in that card. Now, don't worry, I'll be showing you a way on how you can add a fund which is being called prepaid fund or available fund. So without wasting time, let us dive in and do this together. Now, to make payments through your Instagram fund is that you will need to go to your profile. So once you go to your profile, now navigate to this three horizontal line up here. And once you click on it and scroll down here, you will see as payment. You can go ahead and select the as payment. Is going to bring you here. Also, you can go back here and you see business tools and control. You can click on it. You can from this process to still make payment for your ad. You can see here as payment here. Once you click on it, it's going to still bring you here. So let me still go back again. This both part is where you can also make your payment for your ad or add a fund for your Instagram. Do you get? So that is it. And let me go ahead and click any of it. So bring me here straight. Then I'll click on bill and payment. Once I click on it here, I've already added a fund already on this account. So what I just need to do, if I want to add a fund again, I'll just click on add fund. Once I click on add fund, it's just for me to go ahead, click inside this box that you see 4,500. I'll go ahead and add the fund I want to put on my Instagram wallet. Then I'll go ahead and choose pay by bank transfer. I'm not going to choose the debit card or credit card because once I choose it, I'm going to have an issue in making payment, like I said when we started this lesson. Once I select on pay by bank transfer, I just go ahead and click on next. It's going to redirect me where I'm going to make payments for it. Now look at it here. Now I can make payment with this information provided. Now from what you can see, it provides the bank account which I can make my payment and the bank name that once I'm making my payment, I need to say name on it. So what I just need to do is just to go use my bank mobile app to make payment through this the bank name and account name. So these are the information they have provided for me that I need to make payment. Now mind you, if you are making a payment, ensure that you are making the exact payment that you have already input on the account, not otherwise. Once you make a payment, it's not going to redirect you back to this place. Now from what you can see now, it appears that where we have been redirected has already been wiped out. So don't worry. Now, how are you going to confirm if your payment has reflected in situation like this? Now, go back here. Now, scroll down and select as payment. Once you select as payment, you click on billing and payment. Now, we want to confirm if our payment has reflected or not. Now, what I just need to do, you see payment activities. Go ahead and click on payment activities. Once you click payment activities, you are going to see your payment will reflect here as fund. Now let me show you an example of it. And for what you can see here, you can see August 21st 2025 we made a payment of 30,000 naira. You can see it said funded, right? So that is it. Now let me explain. Under here you see fade. Fade means that you are meant to put 500,000 and you went ahead and put a different amount, probably below or higher. You are going to experience this failed issue. Now the thing is this: if you're making a payment of 500,000 naira, ensure you are making that payment of 500,000 naira. Nothing less, nothing high. So that is how it works. So if you put an amount of 500,000, 50 or 400,000, you are going to get a notification to let you know that the payment failed, right? So that's how it works. Now let me show you how you can add fund to your Facebook. Now let me minimize this. Now we'll go to my Facebook here. Now select that page that you want to run because every Facebook has a page. You can use your normal Facebook account or normal Facebook profile to run an account. There are two things. You can also go ahead to probably, let me say, convert your personal profile to a professional Facebook account. So that will enable you start boosting your product. So that is it. If I want to make payment to my Facebook, is simple. I'll go to my menu here, under here. Then from what you can see here, you will see professional dashboard. I will switch it. Then scroll down here, then click on settings. Once I click on settings, then I'll just scroll down a bit. You see ask payment. I'll click on it. Now, the same process that we did on the previous steps is what we are going to do. Now, once I come here, click on add fund, then I will put the exact amount I want to add Facebook account. Now, let me assume that I want to make 200,000 here, right? I now went ahead and make a different payment, probably 220 or thereabout. It's going to show as failed, right? They will not charge that that amount of money from your bank app. So it's going to reflect on your account that it's failed. Now, mind you, you are not going to have any issues or any account disabled on this. So what I'm just saying is that ensure that you put the exact amount you want to add and make sure that you are making the exact transfer that you want to do on that provided account that Facebook or Meta or Instagram has provided for you. Now, let me show you another way on how you can do this as well. Let me move out from here. Now, under here, you can see as manager, right? Click on it. Once you click on the ads manager, you are going to see this interface. To add fund, just simply click on it, click billing and payment. You're still going to have the same interface like the way we have been having it so far. So this is how you can make a payment or add a fund to your wallet via manually, we call it prepaid fund. Now, when we talk about available fund is what you can see here. This is how to add fund to your Facebook or Instagram without any issue. This is how you can add fund to your Facebook and Instagram without any payment card at all. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can leave a comment in the comment section. I'll be responding to you, or tell me what the issue you are experiencing with your Instagram or Facebook that you are finding so challenging, and I'm going to be there to respond to you and provide solution to that. And guys, don't forget to turn on the notification button because I'll be dropping a video where I'll be talking about where you have issue with your payment method, and whenever you want to add a fund to your Instagram, you get this error message that you're unable to add due to temporary glitch or whatever. And I'll be doing a video on that and show you how you can resolve that. Guys, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Enjoy your wonderful day. See you guys.